Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Unicredit account online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we first need to go ahead and open up a Unicredit website. As you can see, I'm Unicredit. And now we've got individual or small businesses, clients. So choose which one, what type of account you want to open. So for me, I want to do an individual account. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on to everyday banking. Then I'm going to choose a debit card with a plus plan. Now, if we scroll down, you're going to see more about that type of bank account you're going to open. Keep scrolling down. Now, it's going to show you, if you're not yet a customer of Unicredit Ballbank, here is how you can do it fully digital through the Ballbank mobile in a few steps. So they've recently changed it, so we need to go ahead and follow these steps. So we need to go ahead and download the Ballbank mobile app from your App Store, Google Play, and then open it and select the option Become a Bank Customer Digitally, and then Open Now. Then basically you want to go ahead and read the terms of it and then accept, create a pin and enter your secret password. Now you need to have your ID ready for the next step, so scan your ID card and perform the required facial recognition. Enter a current phone number and email address to receive 2 codes for confirmation. Now you'll be issued a free qualified electronic signature required for digital signing of documents. Then basically from there, complete the process by signing the required documents and enjoy all the conveniences offered by Ballbank Mobile.